Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make my buffalo wing sauce. I've been making this wing sauce for many years. It's always been a fan favorite. It's just a few simple ingredients. It takes about 10-15 minutes. Throw it right together. And if you stick around, I'll show you how to make homemade blue cheese dipping sauce. Okay, let's head over to the stove and we'll get this sauce cooking. Alright, first you want to melt about a tablespoon of butter. Once you get it like that and it's just slightly browned, then you want to add in your diced onions. Stir that around a little bit. Now you want to add about 1/3 cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar. Let that melt right in. And add your chopped garlic. I like to add in sliced jalapeno. Jalapeno isn't necessary, I just like a little extra spice. Then I want to take it off the stove. And I want to add red wine vinegar. About 1/4 cup. So I'll mix that around and let it reduce a little bit till it's almost very loose, syrupy consistency. Okay, so after about 4 minutes, you can see it's getting a little thicker. Now I'll just take my jarred hot sauce. I use red hot. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that or not, but that's what I use. Then just stir that in. So I'll let that come back up to a simmer, and I'll let it simmer for maybe another minute. At this point, if you want it to make it even spicier, you can add some cayenne pepper. Now kick it up too. Alright, so then I turn the heat off and I just set it aside, and I'll use it once my chicken wings are roasted. Here's a recipe for the blue cheese dipping sauce. So a few simple ingredients, mix it up really quick. About a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream. A pinch of cayenne pepper. Sprinkle of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic, but if you use fresh garlic, make sure you grate it. You don't want big chunks of garlic, or maybe you do. Sprinkle of salt and pepper. I use kosher salt and coarse black pepper. Then I take about maybe a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. Little shake of Worcestershire. And then about 2 ounces of crumbled blue cheese. And then all you want to do is you just want to mix that together. You find to use just a spoon, spatula. So then once you get it mixed up, be nice and smooth. Set it to the side, you put it in the refrigerator. And now we'll be all ready for our buffalo wings. Alright, so here's the moment we've all been waiting for. We got the perfectly roasted chicken wings, we got our buffalo sauce, and we have our homemade blue cheese dipping sauce. So what I did is I put the chicken wings in a bowl. Now I'm just going to add whatever buffalo sauce I want. I'll add it all, why not? Just toss it around with my tongs. You can just toss it in the bowl. Probably best to do it with the tongs, won't make as much of a mess. So once you have it all coated like that, then you want to take it, you want to plate it up however you want to plate it. Just dump it on a plate if you like. But for purposes of the video, I will put it on lettuce. Fancy, huh? There you have it though. Those are some beautiful chicken wings. You got the sugar in there, you got the vinegar, you got the spice. There you have it, my take on buffalo chicken wings and a blue cheese dipping sauce. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please like and subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other videos. I'm Shane. Till next time.